Hi, I'm Tyrah Powell, class of 2029, and today I'm unboxing and testing the Louisville Slugger Kryo 2026 Thundernight drop tip bat. It's the barrel. It's like nice purple, says Kryo on it. Louisville, and then this is the top of it, and the grip, and the bottom says Powell all the way, and that's the size, and the ads. Now I'm gonna take
How's it feel?
It's good. I like it. I like the pop and the sound. It's light. Yeah.
Does it feel balanced or end loaded? What you think?
It's balanced. Pretty balanced.
It's pretty balanced?
Yeah.
Okay. So would you game with it?
Yes, definitely.
You definitely?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks for tuning into my video. Subscribe for more softball gear and tournament.